Alright, what's up, ready? What's Ellie? Holy, what the fuck is going on? There you go. We're back. It's been a while. I know. Unboxing. Where are they, guys? What's in the box? Done a trade for one of my events. AW World Championship is officially no longer here, guys. After 4 years, guys, of not having this boat, well, actually, I think I got rid of it like probably 2 years ago, guys. Yep, it's back, but wait, there's more. The guy, boom. Are they in there? They are awesome. EO Shirai Genius Octopus before she got turned into EO Sky, which is stupid. Look at that. Boom. Alright, guys. Okay, extra protected. Very nice indeed. This is in, whoa! This is in way better condition than my last one that I had. It's way, what? This is more flimsier. Dude, is this re-leathered? No, it's not, but this is in way better condition. Guys, this is more shiny than my last one that I freaking had. Yeah, dude, this is in way better condition than the one that I had. I need to get some more side plates along with this, but dude, this is in way better condition than the last time I had this belt. This is in way, look at the shininess. Holy dooly, what a stick. I'm impressed. I'm happy. But yeah, this is in way better shape than the last time I had this belt. Which was 4 years ago. I got it on eBay for like $300, I think. I don't know, guys, but this is in way better condition. You, sir, and you know who you are a freaking legend. Matter of fact, that is just too sweet. I'm actually flabbergasted, guys. This is in way better condition. It's shinier. The leather's in perfect condition. The plates are shiny, and I got side plates. So it's a win-win-win situation. Anyways, guys, I've been Brown for far too long. Like, comment, and subscribe, and there will be an IW video from this past weekend dropping very soon. Until next time, peace.